Let's start with the intro episode here. So I'm just gonna show you what you can expect from this tutorial series. Let's just see what you have. You can see there are only 3 screens in this, but then at least in this tutorial series you will get to know how to actually implement a whole application using RxSwift and MVVM coordinator pattern. So this is what you have on launching the screen. Maybe I can just show you once more, explain what is happening there. So on launch you can see that it's taking a while to load the airports all around the world. It is actually loading all the airports around the world using an API available. So it actually loads around 70,000 records at that point. That's when loading is happening. But I also have given a delay there just to show that how a transition between a loading screen to an empty screen comes up. So whatever happens is every data is right now launched, but I'm not going to show anything until the time I start searching for a city which I'm interested in, and then try to load all the airports which is available in there. So let's just start with one of the cities, Mumbai. So it just starts showing all the available combinations with whatever I start searching with. It gives me Mumbai there. So I choose that. It shows me the international airport available in Mumbai, which is the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. So if you want to just if there are multiple records, let's say if I check for something like an Ottawa in Canada, then it shows you a couple of airports in Canada. Or if you search for New York, let's say, it has 4 airports. So it loads up all the available airports within a city. And then if I click on it, it shows me the details of the airports along with the map location. So this is more like a presentation, presenting a view over this. So whatever we have is a route where the main view controller gets loaded, and then on search and select, it pushes the next view controller, which is the detail, more like the listing of all the airports within an app within the city. Let's say if it is Mumbai, or let's say New York, where you have 3 airports. It shows you all a list of airports in that location, and then I present a view controller on top of the route view controller that going to show the details of, let's say, that the airport. So that is a whole implementation I'm doing there. So app starts with fetching the record from a server, where it shows you a animation to, so that it says it's loading. And then once you don't have any kind of record available, I show a background view where there is no record. There it shows an empty view, something like this, where you see, if you want to see the airports around you, start searching now. And once you start searching, I'm hiding that the empty view at that point. And then once there is no entry, it shows you again to search for something. So this is totally using RxSwift to a great extent, plus closures wherever it is applicable, and then uses MVVM coordinator pattern. So that will be the ultimate aim, to reach the coordinator pattern with all its, even there are some drawbacks in coordinator pattern, which also we will handle. Let's say if you're pushing a view controller, when you're actually popping it, let's say if you come back from this view controller to the search airports view controller, in normal sense, coordinator cannot be handled at that point. So coordinator is more like you are adding a coordinator to a parent coordinator to all the child coordinators you are adding, and once you are coming back from the child coordinator, you need to release it. So there are some kind of a blank spot at that point, so which I have handled at that point. So to begin this episode, to give a context of what's going to happen, we are going to set up this whole structure ultimately. So I'll try to logically create episodes based on wherever we start and wherever we end up doing the episodes. So I'm still not sure where I will be giving breaks. Let's just start and see where we can break up these episodes. Maybe I'll be able to cover this whole thing within like 4-5 episodes. So let's just start with the fresh implementation of everything. I'm not going to even take any repository and start creating on top of it. I'm just going to create from scratch. So that's how I'm going to start this project. So let's just start with the first episode.